What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this T40 LED Video Light. You guys, this light should solve your problems if you are a vlogger, or you just want that single headshot and you don't want like super expensive equipment. You guys, y'all know me, I have my photography lights, studio lights, all of that stuff, but sometimes you want to keep it simple, especially if you're out there and you just want a simple light. This should be the one for you. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. As soon as we unbox it, we have foam, instructions, but it's a light, you guys. I don't know. Do we need the instructions? All right, so here we go. Plastic cover right there, and you can take the cover off. All right, so it seems like you have tripod slots right here. That's what it seems like. We'll go over it in a little bit. We have power right here, USB. Okay, so USB type C. This is how we hook it up to the camera carrying bag. All right, you guys, so here you go. You can see everything from front to back. So this thing is built in 5,000 milliamp battery. All right, so with that 5,000 milliamps of power, it can work for about 50 minutes. And you can also use this as a power bank. That is amazing, right? So let's just say I don't want to use it as a light, then you can reverse charge and use it as a power bank. And it's 40 watts of reverse charge. It has 4 lighting effects on here. That's what it says. Now, do I need to put power? All right, you guys, so I think I need to charge it. Oh, nope, I held the power button. I don't know if I turned it off. I'm gonna hold the power button again. So I held the power button. All right, you guys, I think I need to charge it. So let me charge it up, and then we'll come back and finalize. But again, we are going to go ahead and put this on. You got 2 slots right here, or 2 slides. All right, so you have this one right here. When you put it on your camera, you want to slide this down so it can lock onto your camera. And this one you want to lock onto your light. Okay, so that's how that works. And I am going to go ahead and charge it. And then when y'all see me again, I will actually turn it on in the dark so y'all can see how much power this light holds. All right, everyone, so I put the light on top of the camera and now I'm going to power it on. So give me 1 second. Hold the power button for a few seconds. You have to hold it for like a few seconds. And then it boots up. It takes a while for it to boot up. All right, you guys, so I have the light on now. The only thing is that the digital part of the light, you can't see it. So if you make your adjustments, you don't really know what you're adjusting. But let's go ahead and basically bring it to the max so y'all can see. Ooh, this thing is bright. And again, I have this on top of my camera. All right, so there you go. You take the glasses off so you don't see the glare in my glasses, but there you go. Now, this thing is ultra bright, you guys. Like, if you look in the light, you're gonna squint your eyes, all right? So we are going to tone it down. All right, we'll bring it down, and then we tone it down. And this light is actually good, you guys. Now I can actually look in the camera because that light was bright. We toned it down some, we could look in the camera, and basically there goes your light. And this is not bad, all right? If you want to change your color, you got to do it on the power button. You got to roll the wheel counterclockwise, and then you will get the soft white light, all right? And then roll it back the other way, you can get your daylight that you need. So if I want to turn it up, and that gets kind of bright right there. So y'all see how bright the light get, all right? This is not even the brightest. This is the brightest right here. I'll keep going. Wow, you guys, this thing is beyond bright, okay? Beyond bright, all right? Woo! And we'll bring it back down to where I'm comfortable. Okay, so if I'm sitting doing like blogs or reactions and stuff like that, this will be a pretty cool light. Let me show y'all in a little setting right here. All right, I'm gonna bring y'all down to earth. All right, so if I want to blog, I can blog. If I want to blog, I talk about a lot of stuff when I blog, you guys. I talk about everything. All right, sorry about that. That's me adjusting it on my camera so it don't be moving like crazy. trying to tighten it and then tighten it on the camera. So you could tighten it on the light and you could tighten it on the camera. So, and then we'll turn it down some. All right. Now I don't have my other lights on right now. So that is just pure lighting from this light right here. So if I want to blog or something with y'all, then I can blog, you know, you could do your headshot blog or whatever. Yeah, but that's about it. So the light is pretty good, you guys. It's not that bad. Let me take it off. All right, so I'm gonna take it off and then y'all can see the settings right there. Come on, stay focused. So y'all can see the settings. When you put the settings, go up and down for less light. And that's basically off, okay? And then roll it back up. So if I want to, I could put this somewhere else. I don't need to put it on my camera. Again, if you want to do blogs in a different way, you could do blogs like this. It'll be kind of cool, you know. I might start doing blogs like this. This is actually cool. I actually like this light, but I need to figure out a way to prop it somewhere because you basically just have the camera mount, but you can also take this off and then mount it on a little tripod, put it on a little tripod, and you can vlog like this and have like little creepy vlogs and stuff. But you know, you can do it many ways, however you want to blog. This is your documentary style blog, but you got to turn the light down some. All right, you turn the light down. Where's the brightness? I need brightness down, 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 down. Okay. So if you want to, you could do like little documentaries. You know, documentaries is you got half shade on this side and then half light on this side, like the Joker, like Joker scenes and stuff like that, little scary scenes. So if you like blogging like this or however you want to blog, you can blog, all right? Or however you want to use your light, you could put it on top, have your background light or whatever. You can't have this as a background light that bright, but let's see. You know how people be having those key lights in the back or whatever, but yeah, you guys, that's about it. This light is not bad. It's not bad at all. All right. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.